Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Pinky. Today we will see how to create this hook in CATIA V5. If you see, we have two guides, outer and inner. We have some dimensions and some sections. One, two, three, four sections we have. From this, we will try to create this hook in CATIA V5. So my plan is to create these two guides, what you call splines or guides. I will create them. Then after I will create these sections and I will do multi-section solid. So then I will get this hook shape. So let's move to CATIA V5, start mechanical design, part design. Then select the front plane and choose position sketch and align your plane like this. Then my first plan is to create this circle and I will draw inner as well as outer arc. Select circle, draw, then give some random 70. You can see our dimension is 70. Then I will draw an arc, a profile, a vertical line, drag as you will get a tangent arc. Then keep on this circle. Now give this radius 125. Then distance from this point to this horizontal, it would be 220. Now distance from here to here, it would be 52 by 2. I will show the dimensions now so you can justify. See, we have given a 70 mm diameter circle exactly in the middle. Then we draw a vertical and an arc, which is 125. Distance from this point to this horizontal plane, it is 220 we have given. So now it's fine. We have to trim this one, which is not necessary for us. Then we have to cut this portion from here to here. For that, have to draw a construction line. Have drawn a vertical construction line. I will make this as construction line. So when I click on this one, it automatically change it to construction mode. So now this construction is moving. This should not occur. When I'm giving some dimension, it should not move. For that, I will give some random dimensions. So it would not move anywhere. Now see, it is not moving. Then we have to cut this one. For that, I will select this quick trim option and I will select the circle. So it automatically cut this portion. So now I will try to draw the outer arc. For that, I will select this profile command. Then I will draw a line. Then tangent arc. I will drag like this or else I can select from here. I will get a tangent arc. I will draw once again. Select this one. Drag like this, you will get a tangent arc. Then again, drag like this, you will get another tangent arc. Make this exactly at here. Then click on escape. So we have some shape, but we have to give the exact dimensions, then we will get the exact shape. Distance from here to here, again 220, that is fine. Then radius of this curve, it is 45. You can see here 45. Make this as 45. Then distance from this to this, it is again, you can see it is 52 divided by 2, 26. Then radius of this bigger circle, bigger arc, 94. 94. If you see here in the diagram, the 94 radius perfectly lies on the horizontal axis, which is 11 mm away from the horizon. So now I will select this point and this horizontal, or else this whatever construction geometry I have created. I will make this as coincident. So when I make this as coincident, it turned to green color. So we have given some over constraint. Maybe at here. We should not give the over constraint. So I have deleted this one. So now distance from this point to this point, which is 11. I'm giving the same in the diagram. You can see. So these two are related to the construction geometry. You can avoid, but this is 11, which is about this bigger radius curve. So now it's fine now. So we have to create an arc like this, then two arcs and a small arc, and we will done with the sketching. We can move to sections, and we will perform the multi-section solid. Then I will choose this 3-point arc, select this one, and I will select this one. I will get a curve, something like this. Then I will give dimension for this. This is 82. Now we have to give these two arcs. Select again 3-point arc. Try arc, something like this. It's just that it should not be over constant. See, over constant, we have to delete this. We can see it is not perfectly coincide. So these things you sometimes you cannot identify it. So again, select this one and make this as something like this. Something like this. We can give the dimensions. So now the radius of these two arcs is 125. Then again this arc is 125. Adjust is something like this. We can able to manage it properly. This is something like this. So if you go to the diagram, you can see this rightmost side R25 is perfectly coincide on this horizontal, and the leftmost curve is 34.5 below the horizontal axis. So same way we have to give this one is perfectly on the horizontal plane. Select this one, make this as coincident, then select this one horizontal one and this one, make this 34.5. So now it's fine, but you can see there is a movement. You can see there is a movement. Don't worry, we can solve this one. Select this 3-point arc, select this two arcs, make this something like this, and trim this one, which is not required for us, and give the radius of this one, which is the radius of this one, smaller arc, which is 10 mm. Then select this small arc, select this small arc and this horizontal, and give the length is 50 mm, like this. So you can see the arc is not coincide with this left arc. So if we move this one, we can see there is no coincidence between them. We need to coincide this one. Select these two and make this coincident. Then again we have to give 50. Before that, I will make this to a tangency. Select this one and this one, make this to a tangency. Again, select this one and this one, make to this as tangency. Now I will try to give 50 here. Now you can see it is moving. So now I will try to drag these things. I'm checking whether this can be movable or not. So sometimes it looks green. So now it is showing fully constrained, but sometimes it show also. Sometimes they will slide. So I will try to slide this all these things. I'm checking whether these are moving or not. So I feel it is okay. These are not moving, and there is no over constraint here. So now I will proceed with other steps. Before that, I have to create sections at here, here, as well as here. For that, I have to break these points. I will show you how to do that. I will select this one. I will make this as normal, and I will select this one, and I will draw a line on vertical and make this as concept geometry. Now in this, I will select the break option. Then I will select. So you can see this already splitted. This thing already splitted. So no need to split this one. Select this curve and select this one. So you can see break into two parts. And again select the break option. Select this curve and select its horizontal. So it has been break. Then again select the break option. Select this one. Select this one. So it's been break. Now here the left one is already broken. We have to break this curve. So you can see now it has been broken. Now we have given points in all places where we need the sections. Exit from here. This is the coaster step. Exit from here. Then position sketch. Select this one. Click on OK. Then now I will select this curve and I will select this one, project 3D element. Exit. So this has been projected. Now we can see we have two sketches. Now we have two sketches. I will select the sketch 2 and I will select the shaft option. Here the profile already has been taken, but here the axis we have to create line. Select this point and this point. The line has been created. Now fine. So after creating the line, it has been created automatically. You have to change this first and second angles to 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Now click on OK. So now we got a sphere, which is this one. Then now again select position sketch. Now select this inner spline. Select this one, this one, this one, this one. Carefully select. That's all. Then project 3D elements. Exit from here. Then we got another sketch. We need another spline. Actually, some people will do with one spline. They will create, but it is not recommended because there are two boundaries. If you create with one spline, it will cross another boundary, or else it doesn't look the same. So now I will project this. Projection onto the plane is failed. So it is already projected. Exit from here. From here. Now I will hide our main sketch. Now I will select whether the splines are correctly projected or not. Select this spline. So it's fine. These all are projected well. Then we need the main parts, sections. One section is here, one section is here, and one is here. And lastly, other one is here. So now I will select the plane. Then I will make this as parallel through point. Select this point. Select top plane as reference. Click on OK. Then I will select this one and I will draw a circle. Inside this there is a circle. Draw a circle. Rotate this one according to your convenient view. Select this one and this one. make these two as coincident. Then again select this one and this one, make these two as coincident. So now we have created circle in the middle. Exit from here. Then we have to create trapezoidal shape at here in this section. Select this point, make this as parallel through point. Reference is this plane. Okay. Then select this plane. Position sketch again. Click on OK. Then we can see trapezoidal shape. Two inclined lines left and right, and two arcs 25, 65, and radius is 70 and 140. Normal. Draw one line first. Then make this as mirror. And inside this, we need an arc. Select this one and this one. Draw an arc, something like this. You can select an arc. Draw something like this. Now we have to trim this one. Select to trim. Trim this one. Again select to trim. Trim this one. Now the radius of this is 140 and this is 70. This is 140. You can see it looks something big. Don't worry. When we give the dimension, it will automatically adjust. So now this is from here to here it is. Here to here it is. Might be 65 and 25. We'll confirm 65 and 25. Yeah. This is 65 and this is 25. So now rotate this one in your convenient way. Select this one and this point, this one and this point. Make this as coincident. Select this one and this point. If you can't able to see this one, you can hide this one. Can't able to find the point here. I will hide this one also. So now I'll select this one as well as this one. Make these two as coincident. So now we can see this section is exactly coincided between these 2 points, between these two guides. So one more thing we have to do, we have to give fillets, corners. You can see corners with 10 radius. That we need to give. Select this one and this one. Give 10 mm radius for every corner. 10 mm. Again, this corner to this corner. 10 mm. Again, this corner to this corner. 10 mm. So now it's fine. We have created a section. We can exit from here. So now we can exit from here. So now we have created one section. We have to create 2 sections more. Again, select this plane. Select this point. Then parallel through point. It should be always parallel through point. Then reference is this one. Click on OK. Then select this plane. Position sketch. Align this like this. Then again, draw an inclined line. Same like before. Mirror this one. Create an arc on this, on this. Then create an arc in the bottom. Something like this. Then trim this one. Is not required for us. Then I will see here dimensions of radius of these curves are 58 and 58 and 55 and 34.5. 58, 58, this one, 58. Don't worry, the shape will automatically adjust. 54.5, 4.5. Then again select this one, make this as 55. Then okay, we have to coincide with this one. Select this one and this one. Make this as coincident. Select this one, make this as coincident. Okay. Then again we have to give corners for this. Select the corner option, this one and this one. View radius 10 for 4 corners. Fine. Now we have given the corners. Exit from the workbench. Then we need only one last section, which is circular one. Select again plane. Select again plane. Select the point, this one, parallel to through the point. Select this one. Click on OK. Then select this plane. Position sketch. Align like this. It is easy for you to create. Try circle. Make this as coincident with this point. The point which we have created the plane. Coincident. And select these two. Coincident. So now exit from here. So now it's fine. Now we can proceed with multi-section solid. For that, only one small thing we have to do. For that, we have to go shape, generative shape design, join, select the sphere edges, and click on OK. You will get a sketch which can be created using extract or join from the generative shape design workbench. We cannot project or something. It is not. It is difficult compared to this. So now I will hide all these planes to avoid the confusion while creating the multi-section solid. So now I will select this multi-section solid. You can see this one. Then I will select this one, sphere section. I will right click on the close point, replace, and I will select this point, Then again, add, select this one, replace closing point, and I will select this point. So now for the guide, I will select first guide this one and the second guide this one. Now I will select the preview. Just I'm checking whether it's coming correctly. So it's fine now up to this section. Then again select the sketch, add another section. Then here you can see replace, right click on the closing point, replace closing point, and select this point. Now again I will check whether it is coming correctly or not. Not coming, it is not coming. So it is telling that in the coupling select ratio. So I will select ratio or tangency, then I will check again. So it's coming now. Then I will go here, then again click on sketch, add another section, this one. Go here, closing point, right click, replace, and select this one. Again I will select preview. It is showing something. This error can be ignored by selecting the direction of the curve. So here there is one arrow. I have clicked on this one. It is moved into left direction. You can see these arrows. You can see these arrows are there. I click on this one. So it has been moved in the left direction. So now I will click on the preview. So now I am getting. So again, last section I am going to select on the sketch, add, select this one, and again right click on the preview, replace closing point, select this point and preview. Again, it may pop up message. I can avoid by clicking on this arrow, preview. So now it's fine, everything is fine. So we have created the multi-section solid. I will hide these planes, hide this one. Lastly, I will have to do something on this surface. I'll select the surface. I will make like this. Then I will draw on this surface circle. Circle with the radius of the diameter of 42 and it is 70 mm. 42 and 70 mm extrude length. Exit from here. Then pad this one up to 70 mm. Okay. So now I have to give chamfer on this edge. Set the chamfer and give 4 mm 45 degree. So now I will go to here shaded view. So you can see our hook has been created. You can see I'm going to give a color to this. Before that I will check whether the front view top view are coming or not. Yeah, it's fine now. Same as in the diagram we are getting. Then I will give a color to this. You can see I will give color in different way. You can observe here, go to apply material. Then I will select the painting. Then I will select this one might be good, I think. Apply this on the part. Turns to green. Then I'll apply it. Now I will go here shaded with material. So you can see this is our hook with a shaded view. If you are not liking this one, you can delete this one. You can add another one. Apply material, painting. I will select this one. This is actually good. Yeah, you can see. Now you can see we have created this one. So in this diagram, they have given the threading also, but actually we are taking so much time. So in the next video, I will show how to give threading. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe for more interesting videos. Plan with Venki.